just watched that intro for the watched it for the first time. That's a great intro. Good morning, everyone. It's a good morning to you. Is it going to be a good morning in the Paris?
Order canceled.
Yeah, alrighty. Hold on one second here. I'll get the count straight. La di 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 do. Okay. Let me get some lights in here. Let's go. Let's roll. It's me, Mario. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. Well, we can't crack this inversion yet here. Let's see. Struggling with the inversion. Tapped it and stopped us. So that's right around the 60s. Back into the 40s, which really isn't that large of a range. So we are going to be narrow range here. Yeah. So we're going to be watching the Keltner channels as kind of a guide rails on the 2-minute chart here. All right, let's see. All right, does it roll all the way over? Because that's a rollover pattern. I don't know the answer. If I did, I would tell you. If I knew, I would tell you the answer. I do have to go for a walk though. So while I'm waiting to figure out what I'm going to trade. Oh, boy. Quite the precipitous drop. All right, so the G spot, which did stop it twice last night, as we can see here. Let's go ahead and put it in. Boop. Yar she be. So 54 to 81. It's this first, as G-Man talks about, it's the first top, the first boop. All right, so we're watching to see where it goes from there, if any. Friday's non-farm payroll. ISM, so PMI composite final, 9:45. ISM services at 10 a.m. And we have Fed barking at noon. Okay. Yeah, alrighty. So What do we do? Well, we're basically at nil, gap fill, just chilling, kicking it like a Van Damme flick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for my pattern to repeat. That's about what I'm going to do. That's about what I can do. I'm a can-do kid. I'm a can-do kid. Hey, can-do kid. I'm going to turn these lights off. I'm real. Hey, everybody. I'm a real person. Here I am. There's no reason to have them on. It's hard to concentrate with 75 million kilowatt hours of power in your face. Kidding. I'm kidding. But I'm not kidding about turning these damn lights off. Ew. Let's see. I'm gonna take a walk, guys. I gotta formulate what we're gonna do here. Let's see, boss. First thing I'm gonna do is take a look at the 15, right? So here was a challenge last night for me. It's a perfect buy pattern, except for the fact that the 200 and the VWAP are wrong on the 15-minute chart, so it screws it all up. It was such a beauty, and I did get out up here at 55 was my stop. So it worked really well. I just had to sit here all night and wait for it. This precipitous drop got me out. Yeah, right about here. My stop was right underneath this pink level here because this was the external liquidity that I was looking for to get breached, which it did not. Okay, now, do I consider this a line break? Yes, I do. Yes, I do, because we have a draw, right? Here. Now, does it break down? I don't know. It moves back into the right sequence, but your 200 is moving to the upside. 200 to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna take a walk. And I learned something. Don't ever hit the reverse button on Tradeovate. I'm just going to leave that right there for you guys to understand. Don't ever do it when you have a trade copier on. Don't ever do it. Okay, that is all. I shall return.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, looks like they're leaning a little bit here with the Delta, but let's see if they get a snapback or not.
Order canceled.
All right. Bam! That's a fucking snapback right there for you, boys and girls. Let's roll. That was savage. Strapped in the electric chair.
Order submitted.
Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. They're trying to sell it, but someone's accumulated it. I got 62 1R. 62 1R after my leg sweep pink. We got to get through that zone that you see marked on the 15-minute, though. Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Burning in my brain. I can feel the pain. I don't want to die.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
$62 lines up with the block up there. Come on. They're selling the delta.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Leg sweep out. It was a quick one. Because of my delta reading, I took a quick leg sweep. But let's see if they can quash them here. That means they're absorbing it, right? If they're going to push price up. So I'm staying light. I'm in one account. Because the delta is moving the opposite direction. I'm not saying the wrong way, the opposite direction of price. So they have to pull the offer, right? So it's like an Atlas lift, right? They have to pull the offer while they're leaning into the bid. Does that make sense? Right? So think about how they have to do that, right? They have to use optionality, right? Every other derivative in a fraction of a second to make that happen. Think about that. They don't just pull the offer. Other offers will come in, right? It's a systematic approach, like using stocks, options, whatever, gold, silver, whatever people think is cool these days, right? Well, they probably use the opposite of whatever they think is cool. Oh, man. Another one, 49.75. That one went way too fast. You see that? No fill. He shoots, he scores. All right. Okay, no fill. Wait. Yeah, no fill. Okay, it cleared the order because it was part of that. Okay, good. Good. 62 final. Everybody type this in. I will be green. Everybody type in, I will be green. Type it in. I will be green. Stops up. They keep trapping. Okay, large offer offering out. 1,000 contracts right above us. Yo! Let's play ball. Hi. Hello, 1,052. Hello, ladies. Let's see if they can get it, smack it, flip it, rub it down straight through 6 deuce. Come on. It's gone. He took the 1,000 off. He took the 1,000 lot off the table. He said, nah, you guys suck. Now they're going to go sniff it out. So now watch your eight halves. Woo. Okay, that was a great trade. That was a great trade. So that 1,000 hit market. You guys see that? You see how that turned out? Well, let's roll. All right, let's let it reset. It's looking tired up here. Tired. So it hit my stop at 9.5. That was a great trade. That's about a $600 gainer there. Let's go. It's me, Mario. How is everyone this morning? That's why you pull your stop up, guys. This market is no joke. Think of it if you're trailing your stop loosely and you're like, oh, yuck, whack. I gave back 11 points. Not good. Time marches on.
Order filled.
Stops down for me. This is just kind of a rogue trade here. Stops down. I'm going to see if I can get 5 points out of it. Go me 38.50. Yep.
Target
Thank
filled.
you. There's 5 points in the Bagerton. Bagerton. Okay, look at on the 15-minute how we rejected it, right? So this is what I was talking about, where I gotta get through this bizatch here. And we didn't. Look at they bink, they smacked it. Now let me show you. Was ist das? Was ist das? External liquidity on your 15. Look, bap, bap, bap. Now. No. Order block, right? So we got to be careful if there's any signals in this. See, there is. Be careful because you don't want to take the first signal in a block. Look at it bounce. Look at it bounce. Look at it bounce. Bah! Ooh, this is where I would get frustrated, right? And then I would start pointing out stuff to you guys like Meridian, Berg. I can't say it with a straight face. This is what I sound like when I wake up at a normal time, guys. Not at 1:45 in the morning. I woke up at 5:30 today. I will be green. Type it in. I will be green. I will be green. Well. Oh, look at the leg sweep of yellow. Look at the leg sweep of yellow. Look at this. Ooh. Everybody, golf clap. I didn't take it. Obviously, you'd hear my orders. You'd see it on the screen. However, look at that. Ooh, think of being short 36. Right? Hitting the button, hitting market. hitting market when that bar closes. Think about it. Just put yourself in them shoes. Yo, whoa. You'd be so irritated if you were a weak trader. That's confirmed, sir. Can't stand this hell I feel. To the point of agony. This is fun. You guys have all figured out trading, and now it's like we're all trading together. Elijah was talking about this a couple months ago. He's like, look, man, now that we're just trading, trading is the focal point here, right? Just trade with the boys and the ladies. All right. Boom. Let's roll. I have no position. We have crushed it. That we have. I am up about 850 on the session. Maybe 9 hundo. In the hundos. Oh, and now think about if you went long on at 46. Now, ladies and gentlemen, and we need 15 minutes to turn pink, red, whatever color it is on your chart, white, down. We need it to turn down, okay? Because all we're doing is ranging right now. I don't know if I told you, it's mandatory Metallica Wednesday. I will be fast forwarding some of those riff songs though, because I don't know how they stay on the. No, I'm kidding. Jokes. In Alaska, the natives say, I joke. Jokes. Oh, this is a tough one down here. Oh, boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
I could have held. That's okay. Wow, that really didn't pay me that. Wait a minute. Oh, you fuckers. They give me 5 ticks. What? You rat bastards. All right, through the 25s, into the 20. You know it's better than a 25. A 24. Back. I am currently listening to the entire album of Ride the Lightning. So if you can tell which drums I'm playing, air drums. I've never played the drum kit in my entire life. Playing my air drums, so it is Ride the Lightning. I do believe that one was. What's one of the instrumentals on that damn? I have lost my phone 4 times today, folks. I'm not even going to look for it. I don't even care. It doesn't. I think it's in my jacket still. That's a great place for it. Let's leave it there. Hallelujah. Okay. Wait, how did we fall so fast?
Order filled.
Holy shit. Okay, we have a full-blown cell. Full-blown cell. But like I said, we need that frickin'
Order filled.
Pops. Pops, you were calling me. Hold on, I gotta find my phone. Trade of it looks good on my side. Yeah, trade of it looks good on my side, guys. Look at the market. Just kind of take a
Order
doodles.
filled. Order filled.
Gold still up 0.1% or 1%. Gap fill YM. NQ leading the way. Lower. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yes. Yeah. It was in my coat. Thanks, Pops. Poppertinos helped me find my phone. Yeah, it was out on the coat rack. Okay, you have a full-blown sell here. 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute. This is ride them if you get them. I need a good enough price though. We are full-blown sell. We are full-blown sell. Okay, next 2 minute, because look at your 5 minute. This is what was on the Sunday night video. If you haven't watched it, stop what you're doing, because I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you used to. Do we have a chat up, Elisha? Somewhere there should be a chat, right? There we go. Oh, that's not the right one. Where can I get short with you?
Order filled.
Do 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 do. Try to find a place to get short.
Order
Like
filled.
18.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Covered that 18 at 16s on my bad entry. So now I've got a better entry. Okay. Now there was a big buyer at 13. Can we get 96? Can we get 96? There's no way. I want a bounce too. Like the stop is just precautionary, in case it just smackles, right? I can always re-enter. I would love a real good entry, because folks, this is no joke. This is no freaking joke here.
Order filled. Order filled.
$28.25.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So you have 28, 25 on the 5 minute and the 15. I am absolutely going to risk this. Absolutely. So 08 is 1R on the 5 minute.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, 28, 25. I'm in. Either it smacks me or I get paid here. It's 5 minutes short. 28.50. And a 15-minute short. We need a down push. And we need a new bar to form with the push lower. Two minutes in order, 5 minutes in order. Let's see what it gives us. Either I get stopped out or I don't. Yikes! Come on now. All right, on the next paint short 2 minute, I will take the trade. Shit, if I get it. Oh my god, this might smack me. I had big stops on this. I am very patient on this trade. It's coming off of everything is perfect on my charts. Doom, boom, boom. What happened to my music? Where's my music? Goddamn, fucking things suck. $400 fucking dollars. Where's my fucking music? The delta is not, 8,000, right? So let's see what this thing does. Yeah, hopefully we get a sell signal where I can take a scalp, right? And it gives us a nice little average price, right? Big stops today, guys. I'm not fucking around today, right? Today is the day that if we're gonna go in a direction, we're gonna go in a direction. Let's roll. Okay. I have a perfect sell if I can maintain the leverage correctly, if that makes sense. And I can't get my damn music to play. I'm going to restart my phone. My daggone music won't play, kids. Shoot, how you get it to play? Right, but on that same note, the stops are thick below, right? All right, so there's another 5-minute sell.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hit 28's target, 28's target. If we could break the 32s, it's going to be a sweetie. Come on, come on, 30s. Come on, come on. It's a big level. 28's a huge, huge, huge level. I'm going to take that
canceled.
off there.
Order canceled.
Yes, I hope it goes lower, but there was my little scalpy scalp. There was my better price, right? I got 5 points for it, 37 to 32s. 30. I got 6 points for it. Please, by all due means, I do say. Okay, now get through. I'm on the 15 here. Look, we got to get through that low of 32.50. We have to. Okay, now we got to sell on the 2-minute. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now we're starting to cook here.
Order submitted.
I missed it. Nikes.
Order canceled.
I just missed it again.
Order submitted.
There
Order
we go.
filled. Order submitted.
And I'll take 29 for it if it gives it to me. The actual target is 26. I'll take 29s though. Okay, watching the delta.
Order
Add at
submitted.
39.50 and the stop is 46.25.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Come on, sell. Sell. Leg sweep. I'm just going into this VPOC
Order
there.
filled.
There we go. There we go. Okay, one out. Leg sweep out.
Order canceled.
I was just trying to get into the VPOC of that bar. Stop is 46.25. I do not want it to close above 40 yet.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Dump. It closed above 40. No. Now sell. Sell. Sell.
Order
Sell.
canceled.
Smack them. That's what we want. Oh, that was perfect. We wanted to make it look like it was going to go up, right?
Order canceled.
Oh man. So I'm watching. Okay, this box is your block, right? If this is what ICT calls a breaker block, right? If this is what ICT calls a breaker block, this is your over under. Okay, look, I can't be any more clear. I can't be any clearer. I'm sorry for the improper grammar. So then what I'm doing is just looking at the 2-minute chart and look, it closed right above it. Bam! Right? And you're like, oh shit. Oh, ooh. Whack. Right? Because what? Because what? Because why? Because our 5 and 15 say be very careful. Be very careful. That's what it says. Oh boy. They are taking this thing now. Say my stop on pink is 46.25.
Order filled.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is not going my direction, guys. Okay. I do not have much of a drawdown left here. I might be back to square one. Luckily, I've kept my margin in control, completely in control. So let's see what happens here. I'm at the fate of the market here because I am in this trade. Oh boy, I might be back to square one, folks, but that's okay. It's standard protocol for prop firm trading. If you think about it, everything says sell, and so I'm hey, here I am. Fuck. I mean everything, literally. So now I'm not blaming anyone. This is but yeah, this 15 minutes down, right? Here's the deal, we got 5 minutes till this next 15-minute bar closes. We can be in a completely different place, right? Either I'm on the streets. I'm kidding, right? That was an absolute joke, right? Okay. I'm in prop accounts, right? Keep that in mind. Okay. Or we're going to be back down in the 28s. Now we're above VWAP, which I am a little hesitant on. See, so now I can't really short, right?
Order. Order filled. Order canceled.
Damn, I lost the account at the last fucking second. Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Order submitted.
Fuck. Right at the reversal. Oh, fucking, are you fucking kidding me?
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
I got 45 VPOC here. What are they doing? Are they selling on the top side? They're probably selling on the top side here.
Order filled.
Yeah, absolutely they are. They got their fill. It's nice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
They're leaning. There's a seller. Okay, he's 37.25 all you can eat. Join him and let's see if we smack him. I think we go straight back through 28. I over leveraged. I over leveraged. Damn it, man. Soke andarquelo. She'll be back in the morning. I mean, look how perfect this is. This is freaking perfect. Oh yeah, 2 minute, 5 minute. Holy moly. Yeah, I did lose a funded though. I'm going to be real with you on that. I was over leveraged, over leveraged, and that's what I'm working on this month is the leveraging, folks. I want it right. I want it correct. Because every account size is, every different size of account is different, right? Like those 25,000s. I would recommend that if you're not a professional trader, don't do those 25,000s. One slip up and you're done. I mean, that's how dangerous those things are. You know what I mean? Okay, here's 28s. Okay, now decision point, right? So my lesson for me today is I was over leveraged, right? That's the notes that I'm going to have. Over leveraged on the way up, and I wasn't patient, right? So ego, and then super ego when it was time to press, right? Right, because we've identified there's both of those in each one of us, right? We've broken them back up. I have to pull the stop down. I hate doing this, but I have to. We're just so far into profit. So look, the block is back on the block. It's the perfect trap above 40. It's the perfect trap below 28. Send it. Got good notes. I got good notes for today. See, the thing is, I've got a million more evals to pass that are about to get passed too, right? So it's all just part of the churn, folks. Does it sting though? Yes. Did I get several payouts out of it? Yes. Okay, you have a sell on your 5. At 29, oddly enough.
Order submitted.
Heavy volume. No, I wouldn't say heavy. I was very impatient. Man, I should have waited for the whole turn. The whole turn. Yeah, because this trade is absolutely paying me. Paying me.
Order submitted.
Damn, it's so fast. I just have to stay in the trades.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Whoa. Whoa.
Order filled.
Okay, that was a good short. That fucked me at the end, though. Damn, that fucked me.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What? Oh, man. About to get smoked in this account, too. Not good.
Order canceled.
Real tough trading. I'm really working on my contract size. Here's the deal. I'm okay with risking these early PA accounts, folks. I hope you guys understand how this works, right? This is still documentation as far as I'm concerned. This is only my 14th live account, right? So 14th PA, right? And some of them are lost instantly. Yeah, this price action is like squirrel shit, boys. They got him though. They own him, right? They own him. Because think of no. Just think about what Nick said. Think of all the shorts above us. The short stops above us. If everybody's bearish, right, and this bar just kind of just zoop out of nowhere, right? Okay, or this is the biggest sword you guys have ever. 25-point sword on the 15. Clickety clack, clickety clack. The money goes into my piggy bank. See.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, push. One tick, Rick me. Push.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
I'll take 4 points. Thank you. Okay, here's the deal. If the VWAP sellers, if the VWAP sell to openers, give up, what happens, right? What if they take strength? What happens, right? Because right now, I would be very scared to open a short here. You know what's crazy? I have no. I did not. I did not see anything wrong with Tradevate on my side. I must have been on a different server than you guys. I will be green. I will be green. I will be green. I will be green. There's a possible counter trend paint if we close above like 41. This is a massive, massive sell bar, though. Oh, God. On the 15-minute? Oh, man. So there's a million stops above us. Okay, or we're about to get smacked straight down to 24. They chose violence.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
Yeah.
canceled. Order canceled.
That was sick. Little 3-pointer. Right back into the so sweep the low, and then right back into the that was a tape read, and then right back into the flat tire at 34.50. That was sweet. That was sweet. Yeah, this is wild. Every every red bar is met with buying, and every green bar is met with selling. This is squirrel shit. Delta trying to roll, right? But okay, now we're still in the order block, breaker block. So it's still a major decision here. That's some horrible entries. God. They're trying. They're trying to buy it, but you can see the delta leaning. And remember, the delta is very weak. It's only at 1,000. The reading is not strong. Okay, they're hunting that 30. Are they going to get it? Okay, they're leaning on the delta. They just pull the offer. You see that? Right back into the 36s instantly, right? That's fascinating. I'm enthralled with this tape action. Tape and price action. Big decision right here. 32.50 to 36. So you can see it right here. 36 and 32. I'm about to lose this account too. Tough day for me, guys. Oh man, I am fucking just that's okay. It's just just $100 on the reset, or on the whatever. So carry on. Learning a lot here. This is flagging. Tape order flow and the delta are flagging, so they're rolling. It looks like he's short, but let me be very clear. Everywhere that I would have pushed the button to sell, it is instantly 3 to 5 points higher. So, very crazy. I would love to get one contract off of this position if I could, if anyone wouldn't mind. But I need some 38s to 42s, right? Because I start selling it, it's going to rip up, and I mean that in a good way, right? Like if it goes up and I start closing it out, it's going to push, and I'm not going to have enough leverage, right? Yeah, they're leaning into the bid, and they're pulling it now.
Order filled.
You kidding me? At the fucking bottom.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, when it releases, this is going to be glorious. That's a sword. Fuck. That's a sword. I don't know how to say it. Beautiful fucking cell signal. Beautiful, beautiful. The 15-minute is full blown fucking cell signal, and I've gone long and lost 2 fucking accounts to it. Okay. All right, I'm done fucking around.
Order filled.
Either this fucking stops me from my last 5 points or it doesn't. Cell signal. 2 points left. There we go. Wow, this is terrible, guys. This is.
Order filled.